There's a certain magic about classic cars, especially when it comes to Ferraris. They embody a time when driving was an art, a visceral experience that connected man and machine in perfect harmony. These cars weren't just transportation, they were statements of style, power, and elegance. Classic Ferraris, with their sleek lines and growling engines, hold a special place in automotive history. Their designs are timeless, transcending generations and capturing the imaginations of enthusiasts worldwide. These cars are more than just machines, they're rolling works of art. Restoring a classic Ferrari is about more than just fixing what's broken. It's about preserving a legacy, breathing new life into a legend. It's about taking a piece of automotive history and making it sing again, allowing it to roar back onto the road with the same passion and power that defined it in its prime. It's a journey back in time, a chance to experience the craftsmanship and artistry that made these cars so special. It's a privilege to be a part of that process, to play a role in keeping the legend of these incredible machines alive. Every restoration project begins with a vision to return a classic Ferrari to its former glory. Before we even touch a wrench, we need to understand the car's story, its journey through time. This involves a thorough inspection, carefully examining every inch of the car, inside and out. We're looking for rust, dents, and any structural damage that needs attention. We're also assessing the condition of the interior, the engine, and all the mechanical components. This initial assessment is crucial. It's like a doctor's examination, giving us a complete picture of the car's health. Based on this assessment, we develop a restoration plan, a roadmap for bringing this classic beauty back to life. The goal is never to modernize the car, but to preserve its original character. We want to maintain the integrity of its design while ensuring it meets modern safety and performance standards. This is a delicate balance, but it's what makes restoring a classic Ferrari so rewarding. The bodywork is the soul of a Ferrari. Those flowing lines, the aggressive curves, they speak to the car's inherent power and grace. Restoring the bodywork is an art form, requiring a skilled hand and a keen eye for detail. The process begins by stripping away the old paint, revealing the bare metal underneath. This is where we can truly see the car's history, the scars it's accumulated over the years. Dents are carefully hammered out, and any rust is cut away and replaced with new metal. This is a painstaking process, often requiring specialized welding techniques to ensure the new metal blends seamlessly with the old. Once the metalwork is complete, the entire body is smoothed and prepped for paint. This involves hours of sanding using progressively finer grits to create a flawless surface. It's meticulous work, but it's essential to achieve that mirror-like finish that's the hallmark of a true Ferrari. With the bodywork complete, the Ferrari is ready for its transformation. The paint shop is where the magic truly happens. Applying the paint is a multi-stage process, starting with a primer coat to create a smooth, even surface. Then, multiple layers of paint are applied, each one carefully applied and cured to create a deep, lustrous shine. The final layer is a clear coat that adds depth and protects the paint from the elements. Next, the chrome accents are meticulously restored, bringing back their brilliant shine. The interior is reupholstered using only the finest leather, painstakingly stitched and fitted to match the original specifications. Finally, the engine is completely rebuilt, with every component inspected and refurbished or replaced as needed. The goal is not just to make it run, but to make it sing, to unleash the power and performance that made Ferrari a legend. The result is a symphony of craftsmanship, a testament to the dedication and passion of everyone involved in the restoration process. The restored Ferrari is more than just a car. It's a rolling masterpiece, a testament to the enduring allure of automotive excellence.